Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G in the A series and I want to check your battery temperature, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check your battery temperature, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Play Store app. Now once you open the Play Store app, search for the application called Ampere. Once you search for it, go ahead and click on it to install it. Now, once you install the application on your Samsung phone, go ahead and open the application on the app menu. Now, you should see your battery temperature. Just scroll through. Now, my battery temperature is 37.7 degrees Celsius. So here you should be able to find out your battery temperature. See that? And this also shows my manufacturer, Samsung, model name, Android version, and then the build ID, and then you're good. So that is exactly how you can easily check your battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.